My name is Joshua Cruz, and my wife and I have lived in Norwood Park for 7 years. So when we first moved in, the utility space was very dark, very creepy. It started with removing all the walls, removing all the debris. We did electrical, obviously, lighting. I was able to make shelving systems for storage, and then I built the cat box. I needed something for my cats to hide in, and I wanted to look nice, and I wanted it to act as a bench that we could sit on as well. Kelly and I had the idea. We knew we were going to turn this laundry space into something spa-like. So she asked me, do you think a sauna could go in there? And I told her, yeah, I could probably do that. And so thus began designing a 2-seater sauna. We couldn't buy a kit, so I had to build everything custom. So you have a very large space for your folding, and then you have your nice deep sink. It has a jet sprayer in case my dog gets into something. And we purposely left the floor concrete unfinished because the drain is connected to our flood control. So I don't have to worry about the water just sitting there. I can actually clean him off if something's wrong, and it just sprays into the floor, and it's not a big deal. When you walk downstairs, it was this dark, dingy, one-lighted room, and now it's very luminous. It's very spa-like feeling. Just everything about it is us.